Welcome to a new lesson on Nextscale Media. This lesson is the most important lesson of this entire course. Yes, by far the most important lesson. So pay close attention. Watch this video very carefully. See, till now you have understood many things about affiliate marketing, right? Now you want to start affiliate marketing. You want to start making money. So what exactly should you do? Let me explain this with an example. Suppose I am here on HostGator. Now what does HostGator provide? Hosting. And what can you become for HostGator? An affiliate. You can see here, there is an affiliate sign-up option. So if I click this, then I can become a HostGator affiliate. I fill in my details, complete the registration, and I become a HostGator affiliate. Now as soon as I become a HostGator affiliate, I can log in to the affiliate dashboard. And after logging in, I will get a special affiliate link. Now what is this link? Basically, it is a website URL. And inside that URL, my affiliate ID is attached. For example, suppose the URL is hostgator.in/fi09. This is my affiliate ID. Or you can say, this is my affiliate page that I can promote. Now watch carefully what most people do. They create an ad and directly send traffic to the affiliate page, right? Now what is happening here? You created an ad, and traffic is directly going to the affiliate page. Now the problem is, you do not have any user data. You cannot follow up with those people. You cannot motivate them later to purchase hosting. And if you directly send traffic to the affiliate page, then your conversion rate will be extremely low. Very low. You will never make serious money this way. And even if you make some money, it will be very little. And most importantly, this process is not repeatable. You cannot build a long-term business this way. So remember this carefully. Never send traffic directly to the affiliate product page. Never. Now what process should you follow if you want to work as an affiliate marketer? The most important thing in affiliate marketing is list building. What is the most important thing? List building. You need to build an email list. Why? So that you can continuously promote products to those people again and again. Never send people directly to the affiliate page. You need to continuously build a list. Now suppose I want to sell hosting. What process will I use? Very simple process. First, I will create an opt-in page. You can also call it a squeeze page or a landing page. Now what am I offering there? I am offering a free WordPress course, right? So I create a page saying, thank you so much. If you want to learn WordPress, then here is a free course for you. Now any user who visits that opt-in page will enter their name and email address. And after that, they will move to another page called Bridge Page. Now on the Bridge page, I will say something like, thank you so much for enrolling in the free WordPress course. If you really want to learn WordPress and build websites, then having good hosting is extremely important. Without good hosting, you cannot build a proper website. If your hosting is poor, your website will go down frequently, problems will happen, and user experience will suffer. So today, I have brought you one of the best hosting deals in the market. I personally use this hosting, and I highly recommend it. Now below this Bridge page, there will be a button or link, and that link will be your affiliate link. Now here you can also offer an extra bonus. For example, you can click the button below and purchase HostGator hosting. And if you purchase hosting through my link, then just like I gave you the free WordPress course, I will also give you another free course, maybe a YouTube course, or a Google Ads course, or something else. Just purchase hosting through the link below, and send me your hosting receipt on this email address. Once I verify it, you will receive your free bonus course within 2 to 5 days. Now understand the benefit here. If the user purchases hosting, excellent. You earn commission, and later, you can promote more products to that person. But even if the user does not purchase, still no problem. Why? Because now you already have their email address. And later, you can again send them offers in the future. Now understand what we are doing. we are not directly sending traffic to the affiliate page. Instead, first we send traffic to an opt-in page, or squeeze page, or landing page. There we collect the lead. Then we send them to the bridge page. And from the bridge page, they can go to the affiliate page. Now if they purchase hosting, great, you get commission. If they do not purchase, still no tension, because their email address is already added to your automation system. And once they are inside your automation, you can continuously send emails to them. So this is the process we should use in affiliate marketing. No matter what affiliate product you promote, this is the process. Never directly send people to the affiliate page, right? Now this was just an overview of the process. In upcoming lessons, I will show you every single thing practically step by step. And apart from this, there are a few more important things you need to focus on. In the next lesson, I will explain what complete infrastructure you need if you want to work as an affiliate marketer. What kind of website should you have? Should you have a YouTube channel? Should you have a Facebook page? Basically, the entire infrastructure required for affiliate marketing. We will learn all of that in the next lesson. But I hope the process is clear to you. Never send traffic directly to the affiliate page. You need to collect email addresses. You need to build a list, because that is how you survive long-term in affiliate marketing, right? Thank you so much for watching this lesson on Nextscale Media.